Hello everybody out there in Math and Science Land. I wanted to show you how we are going to be working on math this week because we are not going to be doing YouTube lessons or work through the Big Ideas book anymore. We're going to be doing Brain Pop for the whole week. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Once you sign on to Edutone, also known as my portal, you are going to go here. And we are actually going to find these things where it says supplemental resources, okay? So in supplemental resources, there are two Brain Pop sections. There's regular Brain Pop, and then there's My Brain Pop. So I want you to just do My Brain Pop. That's it, okay? So you're going to click on this one, My Brain Pop. When you click on that, it's actually going to ask you to sign in, but you do not have to put any username or password. You just have to click this, log in with my portal. That's it. No password to remember, no username to remember, just clicking. Now you're going to see that this is now going to be your own account. I asked the student if I could use their account to show it. You won't see any other scores or anything like that. I just wanted to show you where it's at. So once you log on, there's going to be something here that says notifications. Once I post a video for you to watch and a quiz for you to do, there's going to be a red bubble here with the number of assignments that you have to do. So you click on notifications. It'll say what you need to do. Your teacher assigned, blah, blah, blah. So it might be different for every grade level. So you're going to click, it's going to show this, and you're going to click on that window. It's going to open up your assignments. So your assignments are going to be under this tab. It's going to show you what you have to do. So for example, for this student, they're going to have to watch the Food Chains movie and then take the Food Chains movie quiz, the graded version. See? Always, always, always watch the movie first, do the quiz second, because there's questions that come directly from watching the video. You can watch the video several times if you want, and then you're going to take the graded quiz. At the end, it will actually submit the score directly to me. That means you do not need to send me a picture of your score. You don't need to text me with your score. I will check my own Brain Pop account and see your score there. So that makes it a little bit easier too. It doesn't require an adult to send a picture for you. So I'm going to assign a different video every day, Monday through Friday, for you to watch and then do the quiz on. And the way I chose these topics that you're going to be doing is by looking at the data from the end of the year math review that you did. So whatever areas were low, that's the ones that you have to do for the week. So each grade level has different videos assigned. They're not the same. So I'm going to post one video a day that you'll do. So you're not going to see all 5 videos for the week at once. I'm going to post them the night before every time. That way you only do one a day. Alrighty. So that'll be your math for the week. There will also be Google Classroom quizzes that will be posted Wednesday, and then your science continues to be in the regular book. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the week. This is your last week of assignments because the very last week of school, we're just going to be doing an optional assignment that I will talk to you about later. So you are almost there. Hang on. You've done great, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.